This is how you defoam a OTR tire. Off the road, bigger vehicles. You cut around both sides of the tire this way and one along the middle. This way it'll peel off like skin. After the foreskin is circumcised, after the outer layer is removed, we will then switch the blade of the Sawzall to a longer blade to cut through the middle of the foam and separate it from the wheel. Note that if the people before you did not PAM or grease or lube this wheel, you will have a hard time sometimes getting it off. Maybe heat will have to be used with a torch to the rim. Secrets of the trade here, people. Secrets of the trade, just so you know. Gloves and a mask are recommended here, people. This stuff causes birth defects. Just read the label. Now, using 2 tire pry bars, we make sure the rest of the middle is cut before we pull and fight it off. You want to just barely kiss that wheel with the blade, people, to separate the foam. If you don't want that wheel coming out of your paycheck, I'll suggest this. Come on there, big dog, give us a hand. Secrets of the trade, people, secrets of the trade. Notice how the tech rides up with confidence knowing the job was well done. There's your trick of the trade, America.